Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. And we're on the daily time frame to start with, working down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, I've been waiting for this 123% Fibonacci extension to be hit. It looks like it's trying to push down, and I'm probably not the only one waiting for this level to get hit. So I'm wondering if this is a 1, 2, 3, and we're going to actually push down, probably trap some bears in a wave 4, then go up and make a wave 5 to hit this higher Fibonacci level. Definitely seems pretty feasible. Going down to the 1 hour time frame now, our structure is right here, and it looks like it's going down pretty hard. So if it does break in below there, then I would throw my Fibonacci on the whole move up, and I would expect to see a pullback to the move up, likely a wave 4 based on the daily. But we do have to be very cautious with assuming anything. This is the structure right here. That's what's going to confirm that we're likely in a wave 4. If it makes a higher low and engulfs up, then hell yeah, I would go long again. The trend is your friend, and there's no proof that the trend is over until we break structure to the downside, which we obviously have not done yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.